to my channel. It's snowing. Oh, I want to touch it. Ah! Oh my days, I haven't seen snow in forever. It's so cold. I don't mind it being in my room. It's so pretty. I'm going to fetch my client in the snow. She hates me. She hates me. She hates me. She hates me. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Guys, in New York. Oh, it's so wet here. Ah, my shoes. My shoes. I don't have a mat in my room. Damn. Guys, it's so pretty. Oh, I think they're opening for her. Oh, the security at my wrist is so nice. They are saying that she's standing outside and it's snowing. Love that for us. Guys, it's snowing. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Hello. Hi.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm dirty. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you think.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's a very special day. Going to buy my iPad, but before that, let us do a get ready with me. So I just finished taking a shower, washing my face, brushing my teeth. Now I'm just going to do my skincare. And then after doing my skincare, I will do my hair. So let's just get ready. I'm so excited! Ah! Anyways, I'm using this Woody's Beauty skin toner. This is the hydrating. This is the hydrating skin toner. Normally I'd go in with a cotton pad, but this face cloth also does the work. And then I go in with my CeraVe moisturizing lotion, and then I just, you know, just a little bit. I love it so much for my skin. It also works well for uneven skin tone, so it's really good. And then I go in with my sunscreen. Very, very mandatory. I took off my lashes, guys, so like I feel sick. I feel sick, but I just need this break just before TE, you know. I just want to rest my lashes a little bit, you know. I also like to brush out my lashes, my eyelashes, my eyebrows. Damn. I also like to brush out my eyebrows just so they straight and they have that beautiful, beautiful, clean aesthetic. Then I'm just gonna go in with my Essence eyebrow pencil for my lip liner. I lost my black one-ish, so I'm gonna settle with this one for now. I like to leave it like this for a little bit just before I put my lip gloss, so I'm just gonna leave it. In the meantime, I'll be putting my this is almost finished. Oh my god, I use it a lot. This is the Woody's Beauty face mist. Really good. Yeah. I feel so hydrated right now. I love it. So I am done with my skincare, as you can see, and I'm just gonna brush out my hair like all the way to the back because I will be installing a beautiful unit that I got from Premium Lace Wig, so stay tuned.
Hands on my knee, all this big it, hop off a chick, and get rich. Cash to the moon, I get a check. You selling run on my pants and my chest. Shit in a dress, give up a mess. I eat a flesh, you know the rest. Count up 100, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed. You told me 10, you make a boy like I hoop with these jets. This is on me, got my Gucci shirt wet. Him in my bag, don't get used to the rest. With this school where they teach you for this. I earn this shoes for the drip I invest. I'm the boss man, I keep catching the best. All the cool fast when they in with it.
Hey guys, like I did mention that I will be installing a wig. This is a beautiful wig that I got from Premium Lace Wig. I am wearing an HD 5x5 Clueless wig. Yes, I said it. Clueless wig that I got from Premium Lace Wig. I just want to show you guys that this wig is literally like Clueless, and it is HD lace 5x5. It comes pre-plugged, I think, and they cut the lace for you. As you can see, the lace is perfectly cut. So yeah, I am wearing this 26 inches beautiful unit. Oh my god, okay, I'm so excited because this is really pretty. So yeah, let me just show you guys what came in the box. So this is what the box looks like. It's written Premium Lace Wig. Inside you get your lashes, you get a comb, you get a wig cap. You get a wig cap. This comes in 2 pieces, you guys. And then you get then you get this information card, shows you where to find them, how to take care of your wig, etc. So yeah, absolutely love this wig. Without wasting any more time, guys, I'm just gonna let you guys watch how I installed this beautiful unit from Premium Lace Wig. If you'd like to purchase the wig right away, you can just click the link in my description and follow the steps. Premium Lace Wig, thank you so much for sponsoring this part of the video. Okay guys, so this is the unit that I'll be installing, that I was talking about. This hair is really beautiful and it is a Clueless wig. As you can see, I already went in and straightened it off camera, and I'm just going to show y'all that this wig does come pre-plugged, and it also comes, they cut the lace for you. As you can see, it's cut neatly in a zigzag motion. So, and it also has this adjustable strap at the back so that it holds your hair really securely. Before I install it though, I would really love to go in with my foundation, just so it's, you know, very seamless. So this is the foundation that I'm using. Yeah, this is the foundation that I'm using. This is the Super Stay foundation from Maybelline. Anyways, so I also like to use these little combs just to secure the wig a little bit more, like that. again on the side as well. Like that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with my brush and brush the hair all the way back. Adjust it. Like so. And then you can see it's already laid. Period! And then I'm just gonna open my middle part. This is literally like such an easy install because it takes less than 10 minutes. If an install takes less than 10 minutes, just know that it's really easy to install. So I'm just gonna open my middle part, and then I use my hot comb. This is really hot, like so. And then I'm going to take my concealer, just dab it a little bit on my comb, not too much, like so. Then enhance my line. Let me come closer so you guys can see. This is where my line is. Just gonna do that, and then you can see my line is enhanced, so I'm just gonna do that. Okay guys, as you can see, this is how the wig is looking. Okay, this is 26 inches, you guys, so it is very long. Clueless unit.
Hands on my knee, flawless begin. Hop off a chick, barely get rich. Let's do no more, I get a check. You selling run on my pants.
Yeah, and this wig is clueless. Ah, so pretty, so gorgeous, so clean. What a clean install. So beautiful. Oh my god, this is pretty, you guys. So yeah, this is the unit. Clueless, absolutely clueless, no clue. So yeah, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And this this unit is from Premium Lace Wig. It is a clueless unit. It's not a full lace frontal, but you can always finesse it and make it look stunning. Okay, you can